Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this presentation we will study about what is maintenance, maintenance objectives, effect of poor maintenance, benefits of maintenance, types of maintenance, planned maintenance, unplanned maintenance, how it affect the equipment lifespan and downtime. What is maintenance? Maintenance defined as a set of activities and processes undertaken to ensure equipment in good working condition is to achieve specified level of quality, reliability, efficient working. Plant maintenance is an important service function of an efficient production system. Maintenance objectives. Equipment should be kept in the best operating condition with economical cost, to increase availability of equipments, to achieve minimum unplanned maintenance, to maximize the life cycle of the equipment, to maximize the production capacity, to enhance the safety of manpower. Effect of poor maintenance, increased breakdowns. Insufficient maintenance can lead to increased equipment breakdowns. Regular maintenance tasks such as lubrication, inspections, and part replacements are essential for identifying and addressing potential issues before they cause major failures. Neglecting maintenance activities can result in unexpected breakdowns, leading to costly repairs and downtime. Reduced equipment lifespan. Proper maintenance helps extend the lifespan of equipment and infrastructure. Neglecting maintenance activities can accelerate wear and tear, leading to premature failure. Regular servicing, cleaning, and repairs are necessary to preserve the performance and longevity of equipment. Decreased efficiency. Poorly maintained systems often experience decreased efficiency. Equipment that is not properly calibrated or serviced may operate less effectively. This can lead to increased energy costs, reduced productivity, and performance. Safety hazards. Neglecting maintenance can create safety hazards. For example, malfunctioning equipments may pose risks to operators and workers. Inadequate maintenance of safety systems can increase the likelihood of accidents, injuries, or environmental hazards. Higher repair costs. Delaying or neglecting maintenance activities can result in higher repair costs. Minor issues left unaddressed can escalate into major problems that require extensive repairs or even replacement of equipment. Timely maintenance is generally more cost-effective than dealing with large-scale repairs or replacements. Downtime and production losses. When equipment fails unexpectedly due to poor maintenance, it often leads to unplanned downtime. Downtime can disrupt production schedules, delay and impact overall operations. Lost production time can result in financial losses and reduced customer satisfaction. Poor product quality. In process industries where product quality is crucial, inadequate maintenance can result in compromised quality standards. This can damage a reputation, lead to customer dissatisfaction, and result in financial losses. High inventory. Increased spare parts inventory when maintenance activities are neglected. Emergency procurement due to inadequate maintenance can lead to unexpected equipment failures, requiring urgent repairs. Excess inventory due to inaccurate forecasting. Benefits of maintenance. Maintain the quality of the product, increase production uptime, improve quality, reduce costs of operations, ensure equipment capability. Types of maintenance. Maintenance can be classified into several types, each serving a different purpose and addressing specific aspects of equipment. Maintenance can be classified mainly into planned maintenance, unplanned maintenance. Planned maintenance is maintenance that is scheduled in advance. This includes preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance. Unplanned maintenance is maintenance that is performed after a failure has occurred. This includes breakdown maintenance such as repair and replacement.
Thank you for watching this video.